Today I'm going to show you how to do 2x2 cable crosses with a cable needle. I have this nice thread and maple cable needle case and the two different types of cable needles we offer. Now these come in 3 different widths, so you can choose the one that is right for you. There is the bent wood. This is nice because it keeps your stitches safe right here in this tip while you are working. And then we have the notched version as well, which again, these here catch your stitches and keep them safe while you are working your cable crosses. So let's get into it. There are 4 different types of 2x2 cable crosses. There is the 2x2 Right Cross, the 2x2 Right Purl Cross, the 2x2 Left Cross, and the 2x2 Left Purl Cross. Now the important thing to remember is that if you are crossing left, you are going to be holding your cable needle with its stitches to the front. If you are crossing right, you're going to be holding the cable needle with its stitches to the back. So I've knit up to the first cross. This first cross is going to be a left cross, which means it's going to lean to the left side. The top of the cross is going to lean to the left side. So how to do this, I'm going to grab my cable needle, and I'll show you how to use both cable needles. And I'm going to slide the 2 stitches onto the cable needle and hold it. I'm going to get those in the dip and hold it to the front. Then I'm going to knit the next 2 stitches and then slide down my cable needle so that I can knit the next 2 stitches off of the cable needle. And it's just that simple. Next, I'm going to show you how to do a right cross. I'll use the same type of cable needle, and then I'll do both again. So 1, 2, but with a right cross, this time you hold the cable needle to the back. Make sure your yarn doesn't get wrapped around it. So then you knit the next 2 off your needle. And you slide those stitches to the end and knit 2 off your cable needle. So we're at our next left cross. So again, this time using the other type of cable needle, the notched cable needle. I'm going to slide those 2 stitches on. Now this time I'm going to slide them so that each of those stitches slides into a groove, and that locks it in really well. Knit 2. And then you just gently work those stitches out of the notches and onto the end. And knit 2. Now I'm ready for our second 2x2 right cross. We'll take the notched cable needle, slip 2 on, get them all the way down to those notches, get that in the back, ensuring that the yarn is in front, not wrapped around my cable needle. Knit 2 off of the left hand needle, and work those. Kind of twisting it helps kind of keep them loose and jump them over those notches. If you are new to cable needles and really worried about your stitches jumping off, I recommend this notched one. Those lock them in there tight. So you'll be very secure and you don't have to worry about losing those stitches. And next I will show you how to do the left and right purl crosses. So I have knit the wrong side row, which just involves knitting the knits and purling the pearls on this wrong side here. And I'm ready to do my first left purl cross. Now, what you have to remember about the purl crosses, they are crossed in exactly the same way as the non-purl crosses, just your traditional left and right cross. So you hold the cable needle to the front on the left cross and to the back on the right cross, but whatever stitches are going to be in the back, those are the stitches that you purl. So any stitches that are going to be on the front, those you will knit, and stitches on the back you will purl. So I'm slipping for the left purl cross, I'm slipping 2 onto my cable needle. Then I am purling the 2 stitches on the back, sliding these stitches up and knitting the 2 stitches off the front cable needle, which gives me a left purl cross. Next we have the right purl cross. So these first 2 stitches will be slipped on to the cable needle and held to the back. Knit 2 off your left hand needle and purl 2 off the cable needle, and this is your right purl cross. I'm going to show you how to do each of them one more time. So first we have your left purl cross. Slide 2 onto the cable needle, hold in front, purl 2 off your left hand needle, and then knit 2 off your cable needle. And for our final cross, take the cable needle, slip 2, hold in back for a right cross, knit 2, So, and how I'm getting those to jump, I'm just putting my thumb on and kind of twisting and pushing with my right hand, and that just kind of helps work those through the different notches. And then, twist it. I'm going to purl the 2 stitches off the back cable needle, and that is how you create your purl crosses. With just these 2x2 ribs, you can create not only this beautiful rib stitch pattern, but so many more. And you can find our cable needles as well as our leather cable needle case in multiple colors on threadandmaple.com. Thanks so much for joining in this tutorial. I look forward to seeing you next time.